The Jewish people have a storied history, buried deep and rich in wealth. Just 3% of Americans are Jewish, yet 67% of the Forbes 400 are Jewish. Why is that? Why do Jews tend to prosper beyond the population in every setting they've ever been in throughout history? Well, it's far from being luck on their side or a coincidence. Financial secrets are embedded in their holy books, passed down for thousands of years. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll reveal these secret Jewish practices, principles, and approaches to wealth accumulation that you can apply to your financial lifestyle. Number 1. Business ethics in Jewish culture. According to the book Money Code by H.W. Charles, the secret to becoming wealthy that the Jews knew for centuries is found in Jewish religious texts, Tanakh. It is believed to contain valuable information on acquiring wealth. H.W. Charles believes that your financial success depends on two key pillars: the wisdom you learn from reading Jewish books and your will to change your ways of doing things and take action. You might wonder about the reasons behind these sayings, or if these statements are true. You are not alone, as I have also asked myself these same questions. However, I discovered a lot to learn from the Jewish community after digging and studying. The Jewish culture is rich in traditions and values passed down through generations, shaping the mindsets of individuals within the community. For instance, when it comes to the Jews' views of business and how they handle their businesses, you will notice they are among the few people who are open and honest in their business dealings. Their perspective on business aligns with the concept of tikkun olam in Judaism, which means repairing the world. It encourages individuals, including those in business, to contribute positively to society and have a meaningful impact. Jews are taught that business is a matter of being valuable to other people. We are all engaged in businesses one way or the other. You could be a CEO of a company, a waiter, or a stay-at-home mom. Still, the truth is that you are engaged in business since you are providing value to others in some way. The idea of being valuable to others in business has a broader meaning that emphasizes fair dealings, integrity, and honesty. It goes beyond just getting that extra cash, but highlights the importance of creating products and services that benefit others. Suppose you have conflicted feelings about business and money. In that case, it will be very tricky for you to succeed in either one. Having this belief about business will not only help you increase your value or usefulness to others, but also automatically have a way of increasing your wealth. Think of it as leaving a positive reputation that can help you attract new business opportunities. Number 2. Their perception of money. Another secret that has helped many Jews succeed is their perception and views of money. Jews have a unique and deep sense of money. They see money as a means of exchange and protection that can enable them to survive, free them from suffering, and help them realize their goals. To the Jews, money is like a tangible God they can see and touch, that can protect them forever and keep them safe. This reverence and appreciation for money makes Jews careful and serious about money. They do not easily waste or squander money, nor do they pursue it out of greed or vanity. They are taught to use money to do meaningful and valuable things, such as supporting their families and communities, investing in their education, knowledge, and skills, and creating wealth and value. Jewish parents train their children from a very young age to manage their finances and become independent thinkers and self-reliant enough to make wise financial decisions. They even go practical with their children by giving them money as a gift to keep during the Hanukkah festival. The idea is to pass on essential principles of money to the next generation. They use 5 jars, each with a specific label: tithe, investing, savings, charity, and spending. These jars are like piggy banks, but with a greater purpose. It's a tool for shaping the financial future of Jewish children. Assuming the child gets $20, they are instructed to split it into these jars. Following the biblical rule of giving back 10% to God, tithe, the child puts $2 in that jar. Now they have $18 left. The next step is to put an extra 10% into the charity jar. This helps teach kids not to be greedy and emphasizes giving to others. For Jews, Giving wholeheartedly is considered essential for life. They believe it helps build their community. But that's not the only reason. Besides helping those in need, this second jar is crucial in building trust within the community because they believe that the more someone generously gives without expecting anything back, the more trust the community places in that person. This trust means that when a person starts a business or any enterprise, the community is more likely to support them. Having a strong network of support is important for any business. The Jewish community places immense value on socializing and forming bonds, seeing it as vital to personal success and happiness. Moving on to the third jar, which is for investments. In the Jewish training system, kids are taught to put 20% of their money into this jar. They can use this for anything they want, as long as it will make them more money. This is different from savings. It's specifically for investing. No matter how little the money, they're taught to invest it in something of equal value. The Jewish Talmud emphasizes the importance of investing. The Talmud teaches that one's money should always be ready to hand, meaning that we should always have money ready for an investment. Acting on this teaching is evident in their lifestyle. 33% of Jews invest in financial assets, compared to 7% of mainline Protestants, 4% of Catholics, and 0% of conservative Protestants. Hence, they are taught right from childhood, and they do the same to their children. And that's how the trait is passed on from generation to generation. As the jar fills up, kids can start their small ventures. What's great about this jar approach is that kids have complete control over when and where to invest their money. Parents don't even step in if the kids make mistakes. They let them learn from their failures. This improves decision-making and a sense of responsibility, setting them up for success when they're older. Now, moving on to the fourth jar, Jewish kids are told to save 10% for emergencies and unexpected challenges. This hands-on training even includes planning for unplanned expenses. In the fifth jar, they save the remaining 50% to use however they want. It's like a personal fund for whatever they deem fit, but that's just one part of the whole process. The Jewish approach to money allows us to reflect on our views and uses. Do we view money as an end or a means? Do we treat money as a slave or a friend? Do we see money as a burden or an opportunity? Jews value money, but they are not mean or stingy. They have learned how to balance frugality with enjoyment. They believe that money should be used to meet the legitimate needs of themselves and others, not to accumulate wants or to show off. They also know that money is not eternal, but subject to risk and change. Therefore, they will enjoy the joy and happiness that money brings at the right time, in the right way, and with the right amount. Number 3. The role of charity or tzedakah in Jewish philosophy. Remember what I said about the second jar that emphasizes charity? Let's look deeper at what charity means for the Jews. The importance of charity, known as tzedakah in Hebrew, goes beyond mere philanthropy. It's a fundamental pillar that strengthens the interconnectedness of individuals and the collective responsibility to alleviate suffering and promote social justice. The Talmud says, even a poor man who subsists on charity should give charity. If he does that, heaven will not again inflict poverty upon him. This statement holds a deep meaning in Jewish tradition. It encourages individuals, even those experiencing poverty and relying on charitable assistance for their sustenance, to continue giving to others in need. The promise here suggests that by maintaining a commitment to giving, even amid personal financial challenges, a person can break the cycle of poverty and avoid a recurrence of their lack. This teaching also delves into the reciprocal relationship between giving and the blessings one receives. By encouraging individuals in need to be charitable, the Talmud suggests that generosity can elevate the giver, creating a positive cycle that benefits the receiver and brings about divine protection against future poverty. Number 4. The impact of social circles on financial success. Also, your social circle plays a crucial role in your finances. Not many people realize this, but Jews emphasize the importance of socializing and building bonds in their community. This is crucial for their success and happiness. Community support is vital for those with business projects. It's all about the network. In an average community, People don't care much about others or go out of their way to help neighbors and businesses. But in the Jewish community, it's different. They believe social connections are essential for success because they believe social circles will provide friendship, support, information, and opportunities. They work hard to create and maintain a social circle that fosters their development and growth. This involves watching over each other, providing assistance, and ensuring a continuous flow of resources within the circle. In the book, Thou Shalt Prosper by Daniel Lapine, the second commandment talks about the importance of networking and how transactions and money are more like the side effects of building genuine relationships with people. He says, succeeding in genuine relationship building will eventually increase your income. Just as important, it will immediately start improving your entire life as well. The idea is to foster relationships by doing things for people. When you do good things for others, they will feel more obligated to do good things for you. It's a moral cycle that serves both individuals well. Although this passed down wisdom and secrets to generating wealth are derived from the Jewish lifestyle pattern, they are not only for Jews, but for anyone who wants to achieve wealth and success. By applying these principles to your financial lifestyle, you will surely undergo a tremendous change in dealing with your finances. Have you enjoyed this video? Hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one.